Hey guys, are you always sick of your phone just going black because you put an auto lock on it? So if you need to use your phone for longer periods of time and you don't want it to automatically go into the wallpaper and then just like auto lock and then you have to like put in your password or use your face again, this is what you want to do. Go to settings. From settings, we're going to go to display and brightness. Click that. Then we're going to scroll down and you're going to see auto lock. Now, basically, go click that, and then you can actually go to never, and then this will allow your phone to no longer automatically lock up. So then you have to always put in your password or use your Face ID. Now you can also go the opposite and go to 30 seconds, and then go to 1 minute, 2 minutes. I have that on 5 minutes, but I'll show you. Go ahead. Let's go ahead and show you. So we're gonna wait 30 seconds. Okay, so it's almost 30 seconds now, and then the phone will automatically go black like this. At first it dims, and then it will go into lock mode. So now it's in lock mode, so now I have to put in the password and to turn it back on. So anyways, once again, that's going to settings, and then we're gonna wanna go into display and brightness. So that's down here. And then you're gonna want to scroll down to auto lock and then put it for whatever you want. If you're gonna be using your phone and you want to keep it on so it doesn't just so you don't have to keep putting the password, then put it to never. Otherwise, I leave it at 5 minutes. If you're somewhere unsafe outside, maybe you want to just put 30 seconds or a minute. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.